This is my mouse. Don't worry, it's a knockoff. Don't ask me why I have knockoffs. So it's not a pro mouse, so it means I don't get the pro software to configure all the buttons to my own liking. But if you're an editor and you have a mouse with any of these two extra buttons, you should be making full utilization of them. These keys are usually mapped to back and forth and are only useful in the browser and file explorer, but they can also be used in editing. Start by going to Google, then type in Xmouse, then you go to xmousebuttoncontroller.com. hit on download for Windows. I'm not sure if it works for Mac. Then hit download again, start your download, find where your download is, extract, open, then just install as admin. I won't install mine because I already have Xmouse installed. Once you've installed, go ahead and find Xmouse on your computer, open it. You'll be greeted with something like this. I already have mine set up, but just for the sake, we'll set it up. Once you have Xmouse open, one thing I like to do is place the cursor of the mouse right here, then start pressing buttons. This will tell you which box affects which button. We mainly want to change these two buttons, this one and this one. So we know this is mouse button 4, this is mouse button 5. Once you identify your box button, I don't like to change the default settings. I'll come here, hit add, then look for the software I want. So right now, I want to change Premiere Pro. So add Premiere Pro, hit OK. Then, as long as Premiere Pro is selected, you will change those buttons. So I'll go to button 4 and add a simulated key. I want button 4 to cut my clips. The shortcut for cutting clips in Premiere Pro is Ctrl K. So what you do is put whatever this is, caps lock, Ctrl for control, then close, then K, and hit OK. Then hit apply. And now when you're in Premiere Pro, when I hit button 4, it will simulate Ctrl K. Then I want to change button 5 to delete. So that would be, is that parenthesis, then DLE, close parenthesis, then hit OK. Then hit apply. Open up Premiere Pro, select your clip. If I hit 4, it cuts. If I hit 5, it deletes. Hit 4, it cuts. Hit 5, it deletes. So the best thing you can do is find a shortcut you use the most and put it there. And you can make profiles for different softwares. All you have to do is just hit add and look for your software. If you can't find the software, just go here, find where the software is. Usually it's in program files. So I want to add Photoshop. So I'll hit Photoshop, add, and I hit OK. And now Photoshop is there. You can add another one. Let's say I want to add DaVinci Resolve. Go to program files, go to your PC, local disk C, program files, Blackmagic Design, DaVinci, then find DaVinci Resolve exe, then add, and hit OK. And you can do this with different softwares. Find it, go to C, program files, Adobe, After Effects, support files, then find After Effects exe, add, and hit OK. So let's say I want to change button 4 to be brush in Photoshop. Just select Photoshop, go to button 4, simulated keys, then brush. The shortcut for brush is P. The shortcut for brush is P. Hit OK. Then hit apply. Now when I open up Photoshop and hit that button, turns into a brush. That's it.